Day, everyone. Learn how to enable notification history in any Android phone. Now, the benefit of activating the history for notification is you will never miss any notification, even if you swipe left or right. So sometimes when we are busy, we often, ignore notifications. So you can always come to your history and check which all notifications you have got. So to enable that, we need to go to the settings and then look for notifications. By any chance, if you do not find notifications, you can always search and type notification and you will find notifications. Now we will click on that and then you will find many options and then we need to go to advanced settings under notifications. Once you're here, you will find notification history. You can also search directly notification space history and then just click on that. And here you will find all the notification history with timing that when exactly you have got those notification. All right. So this is how you can enable notification in any Android phone. And I'll see you if you find this tutorial short and helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.